Think all snacks are your enemy when trying to lose weight? What if I told you that the right snacks could actually boost your weight loss journey? Stick around because in this video, I'll reveal the best healthy snacks that not only taste amazing, but also help you burn fat and stay satisfied. And trust me, number 7 will change the way you snack forever. We all know the struggle. It's mid-afternoon, you're hungry, and that bag of chips or chocolate bar is calling your name. But did you know you could replace those cravings with delicious, healthy options that support weight loss instead of sabotaging it? Let's dive into the world of smart snacking and discover how small changes can lead to big results. Why do some snacks make you hungrier while others keep you full longer? Snacking isn't inherently bad. It's all about what you eat. Snacks that combine protein, fiber, and healthy fats help control hunger, stabilize blood sugar, and keep your metabolism active between meals. Which protein-packed snack keeps you full for hours and boosts fat burning? Protein is the king of satiety. Snacks like Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, hard-boiled eggs, or a handful of almonds provide lasting energy and help repair muscles after workouts. Tip: choose plain yogurt and add your own fruits to control sugar intake. Can fiber really make a difference in your weight loss journey? Fiber slows digestion, making you feel full longer. Think of snacks like carrots with hummus, chia pudding, or whole grain crackers with avocado. These keep you satisfied without a calorie overload. How can you eat more and still lose weight? Low-calorie, high-volume snacks like air-popped popcorn, watermelon, and veggie sticks allow you to eat a larger portion without consuming many calories. They fill you up physically and mentally. Is there a guilt-free way to satisfy your sweet tooth? Yes. Swap out sugary treats for natural options like frozen grapes, dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or higher, or homemade energy balls with dates and nuts. These satisfy cravings without the sugar spike. Which snacks give you energy without the crash? Pair a banana with peanut butter or enjoy an apple with some cheese. These combinations balance carbs and protein, providing a steady energy boost perfect for midday slumps. What are the easiest healthy snacks you can make at home? Prepare snack packs with nuts, seeds, and dried fruit. Make veggie sticks in advance or bake your own kale chips. Prepping ahead ensures you always have healthy options within reach. Snacking smart is a game changer for weight loss. Remember, the key is choosing nutrient-dense options that keep you satisfied and energized. Start incorporating these snacks into your daily routine and watch the transformation. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon for more health tips. Now that you've got some powerful tools for burning fat, if you're ready to take it to the next level, check out my recommended resources below. The Custom Keto Diet, the Smoothie Diet, and Eat Stop Eat are all specially designed programs that help you reach your goals faster. Just click the links in the description to find the one that's best for you and get started on your journey to a healthier, fitter you. Let's make those goals a reality.